At a fundraising event, 60% of the people were male and the rest were female. And 20% of the female left the event in the afternoon. Okay, so I think we can stop here first. Let's do part one. Okay, so part one asks us what percentage of people left the event in the afternoon. Okay, so for part A, right? Okay, we have to take note, okay, guys, this percentage, right? This is 60% of the people, okay, and this percentage they are different. Okay, this is 20% of the female. Okay, so um to do this question, I can do branching so that it's more straightforward. So we start off with 100% of the people. If 60% were male, that means 40% would be female. And this 20% of the female that left the event in the afternoon, right? It has to be 20% of the male of the female. So that will be 20% of the 40%. Okay. So that will give us 8%. So what percentage of people left the event in the afternoon? So the answer has to be 8%. Okay, so now we know that what is left, right? Okay, this is the left. So for the female that continue to stay at the event, it has to be 40 minus 8. That will give us 32%. Okay, this is going to help us with the part B. So now for part B, right? We know that in the evening, after 33 males and 35 females left the event, 75% of the people at the event were male. Okay, so guys, this question is actually very hard. Okay, so we have to use this method, which I call the McDonald combo method. Okay, sorry, it's we have actually two different types of units. Okay, one in this case, it will be the percentage. The other one will be a unit. Let me just show you how is it supposed to be done. Okay, so before, right? Okay, let me just draw a before after. I'm going to draw the male. Okay, so this is the male, and this will be the female, somewhere like this. Okay, so please take note. This will be 60%, and this will be 32%. So what's going to happen is that after we have the male and we have the female. So for the male, right, it's going to be 75%. So 75%, right? Guys, can you see that 75% out of 100 is actually 3 over 4? So what I'm trying to say is that the male now will be 3 units and the female will be 1 unit. Okay, after the people has left. Okay, so this male is going to be something like this, and the female will be 1/3. Okay, so this is our model. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 units and this 60, right, is because 33 males left from this 60%. Then it became 3 units. Okay, and whereas for this female, right, we have 35 of them left. Okay, and then it became 1 unit. So 1 unit and 35 will give you 32%. So this is what I meant by we have two different variable. One is unit, one is percentage. So how do we combine them together? Okay, we can combine them with the combo method. Okay, so I'm running a bit out of space, so I'm trying to squeeze it a little bit. Okay, so guys, can you see that this? Okay, let me just highlight. So these three units plus 33 will give us 60%. Okay, and also this 32% is actually 1 unit plus 35. Okay, so maybe if I were to write down this 1 unit, 1 unit, and 1 unit, okay, it becomes clearer. So now I'm going to write down this 1 unit. So 1 unit plus 35 equals to 32%, right? So then we have this, the pink color. We have 3 units plus 33. That gives us 60%. So guys, we are going to compare these two equations. Okay. So I'm going to make the number of units the same so that I can minus them away. So that I'm left with percentage and I can solve. So what I need to do here is that based on this is 1 unit, this is 3 units. So I need to times 3. Okay. So when I times 3, it becomes 3 units plus 35 times 3, we have 105. 32 times 3, I have 96%. So if you do a minus here, right, can you see what you're going to get? 3 units minus 3 units, you have 0 units left. 105 minus 33, I have 72. And this 96 minus 60%, I have 32%. Okay, so this tells us that 32% gives us 72. And if you want to find how many people were there at the start of the fundraising event, that would be referring to 100%. So 100% can just use the method that I taught you, bottom over top times the sign. 100 over 32 times 72, we will get, sorry, this is not 32, 96 minus 60 is 36. Okay, this will be 36. Okay, pardon me. Okay, so 36 we can strike off with 72. It becomes 2 and 1. So the answer it has to be 200. Okay.